what is your name and how old are you?
And 20.
And when you hear no strings attached romance, what's the first thing that comes to mind?
For me, I'm not really for no strings attached because I always believe na as women, we don't settle for less. So yeah, I don't really believe in no strings attached.
Would you respect a man more if he was upfront about wanting something casual?
Um, I believe yes, because it's very important for men to tell you what they really want from you from the very start so that you don't expect too much from them.
Do you think social media in dating apps have changed how Filipinas view romance?
Well, I think yes, in a way that they reach more, they have a wider audience, or like they have more preferences on what they want in men. So yeah, I think it really changed, social media changed how they view or they have preferences when it comes to relationships.
Like, for example,
Like for example, I don't know if it's like counted, but when, like for example, in like TikToks, 'di ba? There are a lot of standards nowadays wherein people have um know their preferences when it comes to what they see on social media.
like for example, what kind of standards?
For example, like I believe that the bare minimum thing has been very it escalated when people are in social media. So I think that's one thing that people have been something that they have changed in terms of their relationships.
The bare minimum.
Yeah.
When you say bare minimum, what does it mean?
Bare minimum, the things that a man or a woman should do in a relationship without you reminding them about it.
Now, what's worse? A man who wants something casual or a man who pretends to want commitment just to get what he wants?
I think what's worse is the man who what's the second one?
Pretends.
Yeah. I think it's worse when a man pretends like he wants commitment but he just wants something from you. At For me it's more worse. It's more. It's worse than a man who is like just like what I've said earlier. It's okay for me if you confronted me in the very start on what you really want in the relationship instead of making me believe that you really want commitment, but in the end, like, once you are like, I expected a lot from you, and then at the very end you will tell me that you're afraid of commitments and relationship, because I've been there. So yeah, I think it's worse.
Okay, you're 20-year-old. Okay, and as a Filipina, do you think like for example, if I'll ask you, do you think there's more men who are more honest, like more upfront, like okay, I want this, I want that, than men who are, like they just want to pretend to have a commitment? Who's more?
I think it's the other one, the second one. Honesty is very, like, for me, very precious nowadays, because sometimes people get scared when commitment is there. So I think, yeah, there's less people who are very upfront with you when it comes to commitments.
Why do you think some women agree to no strings attached arrangements in the first place?
I think it's their preference, or in other situations maybe they just really like the guy, so they are willing to settle for less just so they could have a um relationship with that person, even though in the very first place they know that they are settling for less.
Do you think there's so many Filipinas like your age would do that? Like they would settle for less?
Yeah, I think so.
Do you know?
I know a lot of people.
Oh my God. Was it for real?
Yeah.
Friends?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. She said sorry. Okay, is it okay if we move like we go back to our original because we're like turning? Okay. Okay, this one, yeah, like that, babe. Okay. So what's your like your what's the you said that you know a lot of people, especially your friends, like settling for less, right? Why? Like for real, what's the real reason why?
Um, the very reason why for what I've noticed from them is like they really love the person, just like what you've said. When it comes to commitments, they are like backing down on the commitment that they've entered in the very first place. So when they are already, what do you call that, when you're already, as a woman, when you already gave so much in the relationship, you are very scared to move or to leave that comfort zone. So I think based on my experience also, I am willing to settle for less, just so just so I could be with that person because I love that person. So yeah.
Wow. So you're willing to be in a situation like no strings attached romance because you love the person.
Yeah. Even though it's not being reciprocated.
Okay. Do you feel sorry for yourself or even for your friends?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. At least she's honest, right? If your daughter told you she was in a no strings attached relationship, what advice would you give her?
If my daughter tells me that she's in that situation, I will tell her that it's her choice. I won't judge her for her choice, but I will tell her that there are a lot of men in the world. You don't have to settle for less because just like what I have always believed, the right man will always do or will always commit for you.
So you're willing to advise that to your daughter, but not to yourself or to your friend.
I'm good at giving advice to other people, but not with applying it to myself.
Okay, at least she's honest, right? Okay, you're 20 years old, still in college, ba?
Yes po.
Okay, what are you studying?
Education.
Major in?
Social studies.
You're smart, by the way. Yeah, she sounds very smart. And you're here from Naga, right?
Yeah. I'm studying here.
Not born.
Not born here, but I'm studying here.
So where are you from originally?
I'm from Irga City.
What is your name and how old are you?
I'm May and I'm 24 years old.
May, when you hear no strings attached romance, what's the first thing that comes to mind?
First, um, yeah, for me, it's hard. Yeah, hard because I easily get attached. Someone who who hang out with me, then he show me like his he wants me, but he doesn't like attachment like that. Is it okay?
So you're someone who gets in love easily.
Yeah, I'm a kind of that girl.
Would you respect a man more if he was upfront about wanting something casual?
Like an honest in the beginning.
Like she's honest. He is honest in the beginning. Like he doesn't want a serious relationship or something, you know.
Like no label. For me, no. I don't like that. Yeah, shit.
Okay. So if he's honest in the beginning, still you're not gonna.
I'm not interested.
What's worse, a man who wants something casual or a man who pretends to want commitment just to get what he wants?
A man who pretend.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because we all hate lying, pretending like that. Yeah, cause ano English ka to? People will get hurt for pretending as who you are, as like um pretending to be someone's just to get the what he wants. Yeah, because it's hard. talaga. I hate that.
If your daughter told you she was in a no strings attached relationship, what advice would you give her?
Um, Girl, run. You deserve someone better. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. What else?
That's it. Just run.
Just run. You have sa you. Ay, nawala ako.
It's okay. Don't worry. You're 24, right? Still in college or working?
No, graduate na ako.
Graduate.
Nag pa lang, naghahanap work.
Okay, she's looking for a job. With boyfriend or no boyfriend?
No boyfriend.
Since when?
2020. Yeah, 2020.
So it's been 6 years.
Yeah, 6 years.
Okay, no boyfriend. Well, anyway, thank you, babe. We really appreciate your time and your honesty. Thank you.
Sorry.
It's okay, don't worry. It's okay. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we have earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.